Adding an image, and wrapping text around your images. We'll show you how to add an image, and then wrap text around the image. So first, click on the page you want to edit. Scroll down to the aPrompt content editor and place your cursor where you want your image to appear. Next, click the Insert Image icon. Now click on the magnifying glass icon to access the aPrompt File Manager and then select your image to insert it. Write a short keyword-rich description to describe your image, then click OK. Now here's a tip: make sure your image is the correct size for the page before you add it to the aPrompt File Manager. For example, an image 555 pixels wide will be approximately 50% of the page width, whereas an image 370 pixels wide will be about 33% of the page width. Image file names should be made up of short key phrases with no gaps or caps. For example, websitedesigners.jpg should be website-designers.jpg. To wrap your text around an image, select the image, and then click Format, then Formats, and then Image Right, or Image Left. And then click Save Changes. If you want to add an image shadow, select the image, and then click Format, then Formats, and then Image Shadow. And then click Save Changes.